This Thursday morning, we are expecting freezing cold conditions behind the first cold front, minimum temperatures dropping below 0 degrees Celsius with minus for the morning in Sutherland and Bloemfontein, and widespread frost possible, says your forecast. On Thursday morning, foggy conditions expected over the southern parts of the country as well as around the eastern escarpment. Then those cold conditions with frost over the central interior as well as the Karoo. Mostly dry conditions on Thursday afternoon ahead of the next cold front approaching the southwestern Cape. Early on Thursday morning, isolated light showers possible along the coast of the Eastern Cape, morning drizzle possible in parts of KwaZulu-Natal and a chance of a quick drizzle around Thohoyandou in Limpopo, but then mostly dry conditions across the rest of the country. In these areas where we are expecting drizzle and light showers on Thursday, we're also expecting a poor PV harvest, especially along the eastern coast and over parts of the Lowveld, but then a good PV harvest expected over the central interior and the western parts of the country. Southwesterly winds blowing fresh along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal on Thursday morning, then mostly calm conditions over the western interior, northerly to northwesterly winds picking up into the afternoon around the city of Cape Town, ahead of the next cold front arriving on Friday. But in the Western Cape, a foggy start to your day across the province, later temperatures peaking above 20 degrees Celsius over the interior, 20 the afternoon in Worcester, 23 in Clanwilliam, a cold morning at first with frost in places over the Karoo, 3 the morning in Laingsburg as well as Beaufort and Oudtshoorn. Foggy conditions also expected around the Southern Cape. -1 the morning in Graaff-Reinet, where frost is possible, with temperatures also dropping below 0 degrees Celsius over the northern parts of the Eastern Cape, -3 in Aliwal North, -2 in Matatiele. Frost is also possible in these areas. Isolated light showers possible along the coast of the Eastern Cape, with southwesterly winds blowing fresh at times along the eastern coast as well as the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. A cold morning at first over the interior with foggy conditions, later a cooler afternoon, temperatures only around 20 degrees Celsius. In Mpumalanga, a cold morning at first, 0 in Standerton and Ermelo, light frost in places, foggy conditions around the escarpment, a bit cooler in the Lowveld, but temperatures still reaching the mid-20s, 25 the afternoon in Skukuza, Hoedspruit and Phalaborwa, a quick light drizzle possible around Thohoyandou, but sunny skies and warming up in the Bushveld, 26 the afternoon in Thabazimbi. A freezing cold morning over the southern parts of Northwest, -2 the morning in Vryburg, -1 in Klerksdorp. Later it will be a bit cooler, temperatures only peaking in the lower 20s, 21 in Vryburg and Klerksdorp. In the Northern Cape, a foggy and frosty morning in store over the southern and eastern areas, minimum temperatures around 0 degrees Celsius, -4 the morning in Sutherland, later remaining cold over the southern areas, but temperatures above 20 over the northern areas, 23 the afternoon in Uppington. A freezing cold morning in the Free State as well, where frost is possible, -4 the morning in Bloemfontein and Bethlehem. Later sunny skies, but cold conditions, only 18 in Bloemfontein as well as Bethlehem. A cooler day in store for Gauteng as well, 23 the afternoon in Pretoria, -1 the morning in Vereniging, later peaking at a high of 21. Then on Friday, we have the next cold front approaching the southwestern Cape, arriving in Cape Town with scattered showers. Ahead of this front, we're expecting windy conditions along the eastern coast and warm conditions now over the eastern parts of the country, 24 the afternoon in Bombela. Then this weekend, we are expecting the next strong cold front to approach the southwestern Cape, arriving on Saturday, bringing widespread showers to the southwestern Cape, also dropping freezing levels low enough for snow to fall over the mountain peaks of the western Cape as well as around Sutherland. It's freezing cold over the southwestern parts of the country on Saturday, windy conditions ahead of this cold front over the central interior and remaining warm over the eastern parts, 26th afternoon in Richards Bay. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your Thursday, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.
Introducing the Volta 700X portable power station, your ultimate companion for power on the go. And compact utility for camping, home or office. Stay connected.